Well, hi everyone. I got these pretty little crystals in a mixed bead lot that I got. And these triangle ones. And I think that'll be perfect for winter. And they sort of resemble a snowflake. It's just a spacer bead. So I've got these little eye pins. Not eye pins, but ball pins. They've got the ball on them. And I took out of some beads that I bought a while back that I used for something else. So we're just gonna take them and put them on and just roll them down. And do the other one. If I don't drop it. Oh. Yeah, I haven't felt good, and I think yeah, I thought I'd knock out a few little videos here. We're in November. And today is the first really cold day that I've felt, so sort of dreaded getting down into January and getting down into single digits. My body don't like that. Every joint hurts as you get older. I guess we're all gonna get that way someday. Okay, we've got our little bead on our eye pin. And that is the eye pin right here. And I got the longest ones I could get. Because I never know what I want to do with them. I would put a bead on. I really like how those sparkle. They remind me of a disco ball almost. Whoops. That's what that'll look like. And I think I'm just gonna clip it about a 1/2 inch up. About right there. Because these are stainless steel or something, because they are hard to cut. And we're just going to roll it down like they did the other one. That way it's got a little bit more than a turn and it won't come loose as easy. I don't know what my son is watching, but golly, he's laughing. Alright, let's do the other one. I got all the old videos up that I had made over the years, and now I'm starting on new stuff, so hopefully I can do better at getting in the screen. I'm trying anyway. So I won't be posting as many videos a week. I was trying to get all the old stuff up, so... Oh, there. I'm talking and I messed up. Alright. I guesstimated it right about there. That's what happens when I talk. I get mixed up. Oh, I don't pay attention. I'm used to doing it that way, but this wire just absolutely does not want to cooperate. So we're just going to roll it. If we have a little bit more of a roll on this one, we'll just have a little bit more of a roll on this one. Then turn it back a little bit. And so where are y'all from? I guess I could look at the analytics and see who's watching where, but I'd like to hear from people. I'd like to be able to talk back and forth with y'all, but I don't know that I'm up for live. I'll probably be dropping everything. Just don't look like it's closed all the way there. Whenever that happens, you just take it and wiggle it and push. Put the other one on. Wait, let me tighten that up a little bit. Because that looks awful loose. Wrong pliers. Yeah. If it wasn't been for my son and my husband the past couple weeks, I haven't felt good at all. There's our, I guess, let's say that's our winter ones. Blue looks sort of cold. I don't know, can you see it? Yeah. I figured out how to get my GoPro to let me see. Thanks for watching. I know it's a short little video, and everybody's probably been making earrings, so, but it's just an idea of something you can do. I'm going to try to make some different ones. Just trying to get you a little video out there. And y'all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe, it helps me out, and thanks for watching to the end. And until next time, bye-bye.